As we navigate the complex landscape of dieting and wellness in America, one question has been on everyone's mind. Can a plant-based diet truly lead to weight loss for those struggling with obesity? In this documentary, we'll delve into the world of veganism, exploring its potential benefits and debunking some of the myths perpetuated by social media influencers. To understand the impact of plant-based diets on obese Americans, let's start with the numbers. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, over 36% of adults in the United States are considered obese, which translates to around 92 million people. The consequences of obesity are dire. It increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer by as much as 5-fold. So, how can a plant-based diet help? The answer lies in the science. A well-planned vegan diet is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, while being low in saturated fat and cholesterol. This combination has been shown to lead to significant weight loss in clinical trials. One such study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that vegans who followed a plant-based diet for just 12 weeks lost an average of 9 pounds, compared to 3 pounds for non-vegans. Another study published in the International Journal of Obesity found that participants who adopted a vegan diet for 6 months experienced a significant reduction in body mass index, with an average weight loss of 17 pounds. But what about the social media influencers who claim that veganism is just a myth perpetuated by special interests? While some may exaggerate the benefits, the evidence suggests that plant-based diets are a game-changer for those struggling with obesity. A study published in the Journal of General Internal Medicine found that vegans were 23% less likely to develop type 2 diabetes compared to non-vegans. In terms of cost, veganism can be surprisingly affordable. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, adopting a plant-based diet can reduce greenhouse gas emissions by up to 50%, while also saving individuals around $700 per year on food costs. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Agricultural Economics found that the cost of plant-based protein sources decreased from an average of $500 per ton in 2000 to just $12 per ton in 2018. The impact of plant-based diets extends beyond individual health benefits, too. A study published in the journal Environmental Health Perspectives estimated that a global shift towards veganism could prevent up to 7.6 million deaths annually from heart disease and stroke. That's equivalent to removing over 40% of all heart attack-related deaths worldwide. So, what does it take to incorporate plant-based eating into your lifestyle? It starts with step 1, planning ahead. Before you head to the grocery store, research vegan-friendly recipes online or consult a registered dietitian for personalized guidance. Next, focus on incorporating more whole foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains into your diet. In just 6 months, a well-planned plant-based diet can lead to significant weight loss, improved overall health, and reduced healthcare costs. It's time to rethink the conventional wisdom about veganism. It's not just for social media influencers, it's a science-backed solution for those struggling with obesity in America. By making a few simple changes to your eating habits, you can join the ranks of millions who are already experiencing the transformative power of plant-based eating. As we've explored the world of plant-based eating, it's clear that the benefits extend far beyond the Instagram perfect plates and influencer marketing. The science is in. A well-planned, balanced plant-based diet can have a profound impact on our health, shedding pounds and reversing chronic diseases. The evidence suggests that when we fuel our bodies with whole, minimally processed foods, we give ourselves the best chance of thriving. So I ask you, what's holding you back? Will you join the growing movement of people who are redefining what it means to be healthy and happy? Take control of your own health journey. Make a commitment to yourself today to explore the possibilities of plant-based eating and start living the life you deserve, one delicious, nutritious meal at a time.